Want to change the name of your iPhone that appears when you connect it to your computer, your car, or other devices? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to change your iPhone's name. Now let's get started. To change the name of your iPhone, first open your settings. Select General. Tap About. Then tap Name. Now type in what you want to name your device. This will be the name that appears when you connect your iPhone to your computer or Bluetooth devices, and this will also be the name of your personal hotspot. Tap Done to save. That's all it takes to change the name of your iPhone. For more helpful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.